Hey, Floyd here. I'm out in my parking lot in Battleground, Washington, and I want to talk to you about rainwater, collecting rainwater. You know, there used to be a time when people would have buckets out at their homes and they'd collect rainwater, repurpose it, water their plants and gardens or what have you. Not a lot of that goes on anymore. I do have a friend in Hawaii that's kind of living off the grid, and his plan is to collect the water that's coming and then filter it and so forth and supply the water for his house. But anyways, I thought I'd do a little test for you. What I do is I've got buckets out in this parking lot collecting this water so I can wash my service vans and so forth. I know it's kind of silly, but I've been called a truck licker. Anyways, so I'm going to show you some buckets that I've got water collected in, and we'll do a little test. Here's my bucket. See, it's just been sitting out here and collecting this water. So I'm going to take a sample of it. I've got this little clear container, and I'll get a sample of that water. Bring it over to my little table, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some drops in there just to see if it's acidic or alkaline. Acidic, it would be an orange color, and I know that this is orange, but you'll see what it does with this other product as well. And this is rainwater. That shouldn't be that contaminated just after falling out of the sky. Here is the Kangen water that I drink all the time, and it's been ran through a machine to achieve this. So anything that's bluish or purplish, that's going to be good. That's good water. The other stuff is acidic, which makes your body acidic, and that's not a good thing. That's not going to hydrate you very well. You need to have your water alkaline. So anyways, this is what the rainwater is looking like nowadays. You can go out and put a bucket out and do this test on your own. Here's a bucket that I dumped out and allowed it to dry, and allowed it like I could stop it. And this is what's in the bottom. Look at this stuff. It's like there's a cement company here or something. This is just a gravel parking lot. There shouldn't be water or crap like that that's in the water or in the bucket. So anyways, this is kind of whining a little bit about the chemtrails that we've been getting, and a lot of people are not paying attention to that. And you can go to geoengineering.com and you can look up all of this stuff and try to figure out why they're doing this stuff continuously. It's not good. There's aluminum falling down. That's probably what was in my bucket as residue. Not all of it necessarily is aluminum, but there's small particles that they are dispersing in our skies all the time to manipulate the weather. And this is what their version of global warming, to try and slow that down by having this cloud of particles floating above us and cutting out the UV rays. But what it's actually doing is it's taking all the moisture out of the air, driving it down to the ground. So when the sun does come out, it's quite warm. Maybe you've noticed that. Maybe you haven't. Maybe you haven't even noticed the chemtrails behind some of these planes. But anyways, I think it's worth looking up and thinking about, and don't drink the rainwater. Okay? Thanks.